is studying in 3rd standard. She is very smart. She wants to do all the works alone. One day, teacher divided them into groups and gave different tasks. They were asked to color twigs for fire. Shreya has got one boy and one girl in the team. She finds the girl as lazy and the boy as naughty. She doesn't allow them to do the work but determines to do all alone. All other teams want the goal. The teacher becomes happy and appreciates them. Even though Shreya works hard, she can't win the target. Teacher pointed out their mistake. She realized the importance of teamwork.
This is the story. But her team lost the chance, Miss. No, Miss gave them another chance. This time, Shreya and her team worked together and won it. Like how the Israelites had overcome flood. Very good, Ashwarya. That's a good example.
And we are working against Corona as a team.
Great example, Eric. Yes, I too had a similar experience.
I don't like to be with friends. Fahim and Insha wanted me as their friend, but I ignored. Once I was going home after the class. On the way, 2 attackers came in a car and tried to kidnap me. Insha saw this. She rushed to help me.
Because of these friends' teamwork, I'm here today. Really, it is the power of teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's all work together. Teamwork makes the dream work. Together we'll be better. Teamwork makes the dream work. It all starts in your heart. Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's all do our part. With my hands I'll help all people reach out and lift them up. With my heart I'll care for others. Teamwork makes the dream